tumpukan besi. Your seatbelt is fastened like this and tightened like this. To tighten, pull the strap. To unfasten the seatbelt, lift the buckle. Apabila tekanan di kabin berkurang secara tiba-tiba, masker oksigen akan keluar dari panel di atas Anda sehingga terjangkau. Tarik masker ke arah Anda, pasang menutupi mulut dan hidung. Kaitkan karetnya di kepala, dan bernapaslah seperti biasa. Penumpang yang membawa anak harus memakai masker oksigen terlebih dahulu, baru menolong anaknya. In case of loss of pressurization, oxygen mask will drop automatically from the panel above you. Pull the mask towards you and place it over the nose and mouth. Place the elastic strap over your head and tighten it by pulling the end of the strap. Remain calm and breathe normally. The oxygen bags may not fully inflate. That is normal. If you are traveling with children, put your oxygen mask first, then help the children. Pesawat Boeing, if there's anything that we can do to make this flight more enjoyable to you, please do not hesitate to let us know. Thank you for your kind attention, and we wish you a very pleasant flight. Penumpang yang terhormat, saat lepas landas sudah dekat. Silakan mengenakan sabuk pengaman Anda, menegakkan sandaran kursi, melipat meja, dan membuka penutup jendela. Terima kasih. Dear passengers, in preparation for takeoff, please fasten your seatbelt and make sure your seat back is upright. The
Kepada seluruh penumpang transit Anda diminta untuk turun ke ruang tunggu dengan membawa serta seluruh barang-barang kabin Anda. Terima kasih. Attention for all transit passengers. Once again, all transit passengers, please post your transit lounge your personal belongings. Thank you.